Gift giving is one of the nicest things one person can do for another. The simple act of giving someone a present, no matter how small, lets them know that others are thinking of them and hold them in some regard. However, finding the perfect gift can be one of the most nerve-wracking experiences in life. Without the benefit of psychic powers, it can sometimes feel nearly impossible to figure out what the other person wants or needs. But rather than drive myself insane when I have to find a gift for someone, I start by observing them, taking note of the things they do and the things they like. By no means do I become an ace detective digging for the smallest of clues to find a culprit, but by being just a bit more attentive, I can sometimes notice a small detail that lets me know what to look for. For instance, someone who loves animals and feeds the neighborhood critters may appreciate a new bird feeder or food bowl set. Then, I may ask some of the people closest to them for advice. Maybe they've said something to a friend or family member regarding something they wish they had, but could never quite obtain. Even if no such topic has come up, other loved ones may have a better idea of the kind of things the soon-to-be recipient likes. These days people practically live online, so if my target is especially tech-savvy, I look at wish lists or posts they may have liked or shared on their social media profiles. Finally, and most obviously, depending on the person, I may ask them directly. While many people love the surprise aspect of receiving gifts, there are some who don't mind being told what to expect. If I'm dealing with one of the latter group, I simply go up to them and ask them what sort of things they are interested in and want. This may ruin a surprise, but it ensures I'll receive the best information from the best source. No matter what I do, or what I eventually purchase, I do my best to put myself in the other person's shoes first. This helps not only to find the right gift, but also to deepen our relationship as well, and a greater understanding of someone is a gift all by itself.